Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Novoo Portable Handle Hub. This is basically a USB Type-C hub in the sense that you get one input USB Type-C port, and that opens up a lot more possibilities, and you can get memory card readers, HDMI out, and a lot more other interfaces. Overall, you get 8 ports, and the slogan is "Live the Single USB-C Life." On the front side of the packaging, we can see what the device looks like and why they sort of call it the handle hub because of the little handle on the top. There's a little logo on the right hand side, and on the left hand side, you can see all the different interfaces that the hub has. So starting from the top, we have 4K HDMI, SD card reader, MicroSD card reader, USB Type-C with power delivery, that's up to 60 watts charging port, one Gigabit Ethernet port, and lastly 3 USB 3.0 extension ports. On the backside, you have again listing of all the different interfaces as well as the devices with which it is compatible. So if you're wondering whether you can use this with your MacBook or Chromebook, then the Novoo Portable USB-C 8-port hub is compatible with the 2018, 2016, and 2017 MacBook Pro MacBook, as well as Google Chromebook, and even the Huawei MateBook, a Microsoft Surface Book, Samsung S8, S9 devices, Huawei Mate 10, and other USB Type-C laptops. So the listed ones, you can safely assume that this will work properly. Aside from that, you also have a little bit of specs. So power delivery is 20 volts up to 3 amps, so it becomes 60 watts. You've got a 1 Gigabit Ethernet port, and then USB charging on the other ports is up to 1.5 amperes. Aside from that, you have some features which are hidden by the sticker. So we'll just go ahead and unbox it to get a closer view of the product. So on the inside, we have a little user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand what all features your hub has and how you can go about operating it properly. And also, it'll give you an indication of which ports offer what speeds and can charge at what capacities. Then you've got the hub itself. This is the distinctive handle for which the device has been named. We've got the Novoo branding on the front, 3 USB 3.0 ports on the back. This is the main input port. You can easily pull that out by pulling the cable, and you've got a little bit of flexible cable attached as well. Over here, you have one Type-C port. Then over here is the MicroSD card slot on the top. Below is the full-sized SD card slot. Then on the underside, you have the Gigabit Ethernet port. And right next to it is the HDMI Output. So that's it for the unboxing of the Novoo Portable Handle Hub. Thank you for watching.